All right. Guess where we are? You know those cool YouTubers with the what's inside? They just cut stuff open.
All right, let's go right down. What do you think? Right down the middle?
Yeah, that would be good. No, we'll be saving our lives, not yours.
If you don't know, then you should look them up.
Definitely, you need to look them up. Well, we're at their house, and it is huge. Huge. And not because like we're cool and like got invited by any means. I wish we were that cool.
We're paying to go inside.
We're literally paying money to be able to go tour their brand new huge house here in St. George, Utah. Because there's so many cool videos, right? Like, what's your favorite video from what's inside? Like, I want to comment that below because I want to know what your favorites are. One of my personal favorites is when he cuts open the from the DJ Marshmallow and like his helmet, and they cut inside that. Not that like it wasn't anything unexpected inside. It was just a freaking cool video.
Marshmallow, you are now cut in half by the what's inside, guys.
Oh, they have some YouTube awards inside that I'm gonna be like, selfie mode.
Yeah. Go check that out. That's crazy. It's so cool. Anyway,
I'm not even going to pretend to not be cool. Like, I am not cool. I know I'm not cool.
Definitely not cool.
I'm gonna go fangirl out in this house.
I
and
hope
also
they're
it's
there.
gonna be beautiful. So.
Oh, I hope they're there.
What?
I wonder if that's him. No, it's not him. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Oh, that is so him!
That's him! He's right there! What the heck? Through the doors. Holy cow. The piano just started playing. Wait, it matches the TV.
The actual piano. That's so crazy.
That's wild. Right through the doors.
It's so loud.
You can see into the back, into
Look
the
at the
pool.
TV. That is the thinnest TV I've ever seen in my life.
There it is.
That sucker has been across the whole world.
Oh my gosh. So check this out. This is when they reached 100,000 subscribers for the What's Inside YouTube channel. That is another silver play button for 100,000 subscribers for the What's Inside Family YouTube channel. Look at that. There's the marshmallow helmet. It's even signed. That's crazy. You know, cut stuff open on the table. Get some natural light.
Because they've been cutting things on a dining room table for like 35 years.
And check out their setup. Overhead angle camera down to where you can find out what's inside, you know? So this is their office. Editor working right there. You know, you need a little break, come play some.
Oh, it actually went in.
You had one job. Just turn into the master bathroom here. What? Babe, you want this for your closet?
I don't know if it's big enough.
So now we're in Lincoln's room. Apparently he's quite the sneakerhead. All right, first quiet place we could find in the house is Lincoln's closet.
It's crowded.
Thanks. Built-in surround sound through the entire house. You can hear it everywhere you go.
If there's one thing I'm taking away, I want that. It's in the shower.
Yeah, even in the master shower, there's a speaker up in the ceiling. Isn't that crazy? That's so crazy. So this house, over 7,200 square feet. That's huge. The first place we had It's like 7 of them gonna fit in this house.
Yeah, it's so tiny.
So crazy.
Walt's
It's
wanting to
amazing.
go find another TV. The TVs are about this thin.
Yeah, but then like
Blows my
into
mind.
the wall, it's like man,
Nothing,
it's crazy.
yeah.
It's crazy. Let's keep looking. Okay, on our way out of the closet, also just noticed something up there. You got space up there. There's a light switch. I don't know. A little private hangout spot, I guess. Huh, what does this button do? Oh, I need to lower the shade. So cool.
There's beds in the walls.
There's 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. They just drop down. Crazy. All right, we finally got the loft to ourselves, so we're asking questions. TV, magnets to the wall. An LG TV. Crazy. And the surround sound, man, better than any movie theater I've been to.
I just wonder if they'll just have like weekly family movie nights that
Right?
we're invited to.
This is the hangout spot right here.
BFF, we've been through their whole house. We know them
Yeah,
now.
right? We'll be coming over. Movie night. All right, that's a wrap.
That's it.
That was amazing.
Also, we met Dan.
We met Dan.
And he's so cool.
He's amazing. Super cool guy.
So nice.
Dad goals right there.
Told
Dad
us some fun
goals.
stories.
Yep.
Super
Yep.
down to earth.
Beautiful home. But I mean, we did talk about just the grind. You know, everybody thinks like, oh, you just cut one thing open a week and you make all this money and stuff. And it's like, well, there's a lot more to that. And so you just gotta keep that in mind. The grind is there.
Nix your limits.
Nix your limits. Watch my
my
results.
results.
Go get it.
Lights out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, bikini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long